So here's how to chop an onion in seconds. Basically, you see how I've got all these chopped here? This took about 4 seconds. So let me show you how to do that. And 4 seconds might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but it took seconds. So basically, you've peeled your onion, you cut it in half. This is half of this same onion here. And then if you come down the onion, you're gonna cut it in a julienne style is what they call it, but basically horizontal cuts down the onion, and then you can chop it. So you don't go all the way through the onion. So you're just cutting almost to the end. I'm leaving about a 1/4 inch here that I'm not cutting completely from the onion here. So you do about 8 to 10 of these cuts here down the onion. And then from here, now you just do it and chop it, and it chops the onion. It's not minced, but it's diced, and at this point you can simply throw it in the skillet, throw it in your recipe, throw it in the pan, whatever you're doing. It's a very quick and easy way to cut an onion, and if you do all that prep work before, then you cut the onion so fast, and at this point it won't make your eyes water as much because you're done in about a minute or less. So there you go. That is how to quickly chop an onion to dice it up for whatever you are cooking.